Get out of the car right now!
I haven't done anything!
So what starts as a simple traffic stop over a missing license plate turns into a full-blown sovereign citizen standoff. Let's go.
How are you?
Hi there. Good. How are you?
Good. Officer sensor decoy. You don't have a tag on your car.
Yeah.
You need a tag on your car. Is there a reason why you don't have a tag on
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I am part of the American State Republic. And you know that we do not have to have tags and registration anymore.
Okay.
You know that.
Sovereign citizen.
Okay. You have a license?
Yes, I do. But I don't know how much longer it's active because I already have my other card that you can look up all of my records on. It's set up for you guys to look at everything.
Can I get a 44 for a sovereign citizen?
And I just want you to know I'm traveling in my private vehicle. I am not operating in commerce.
You're traveling, you're not driving. That's their own stick.
Okay. And that's why I do not need a tag or registration. I don't even have to have a driver's license. But
Wrong.
I just got that, so I haven't had a chance to address my other identification. But this is the new identification. It covers passport, driver's license, all of that. And it has all the documents in there.
So I'm at least going to need to look at your VIN on your card?
No, you don't have to look at anything. This is my private vehicle, and I'm traveling. I am not operating in commerce. I know you're doing your job. I do get it. But a lot of that is going to be changing.
Okay. So you said it's going to be changing? It's
It
not
already changed.
Okay.
It was
As of right now?
As of January the 1st, no one else is going to ever have to have a driver's license, registration, or tag
January 1st of what?
next year, 26.
Okay. We're still in 2025.
But it doesn't matter. I
It does
am not
matter.
a U.S. citizen. I'm an American state national.
Okay.
I am an American.
Just give me a few minutes, but I'm letting you know you're not free to leave at this time, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Just letting you know, make sure you know you're not free to leave. That's it. Thank you. This is what she gave me. She's not a citizen of the United States. She's an American state citizen. But this is the United States. You're going to get me any kind of driver's license. I said, whatever, registration. I said, I at least need to check the bench. She goes, no,
I say we get her out.
Okay.
I say we get her out. Go ahead and step out.
I'm not getting out of my car.
Ma'am,
Pennsylvania versus Mimms, you have to get out of your car.
step out of the car.
No. For what reason?
Because Pennsylvania v. Mimms says I can order you out of the vehicle.
They're saying that Pennsylvania v. Mimms is ordering me out of the car.
Ma'am, I need you to step out of the car.
Why? I have not committed any crimes.
Step out of the vehicle.
And always they have a stupid lawyer or someone that thinks he's a lawyer to give some really bad advice in situations like this.
Right now, you are committing a crime. You're resisting.
He's saying that me not getting out of my car, he's saying that I'm being resistant. Can you give me just a minute to make
No.
a phone call?
No, you need to step
I
out.
haven't committed a crime.
You need to step out right now.
I'm
You're
in
resisting.
Ocoee, and I am at the Public on Claricona.
Put in your
Ocoee.
gloves.
Hey, sorry, just signal 14. I'm about to bust her window. Pepper blaster.
Can you please ask your supervisor to come here?
If officers
Get out of
put
the
in their
car, ma'am.
gloves,
This is the last time I ask you. I'm about to make you.
Why are you making me get out of my car?
wow.
Go on!
Get out of the car!
What?
Get out of the car right now!
I haven't done anything!
Get out of the car! Get out of the car, or you're gonna get tased.
All right. Just
But
grab her out.
why?
I know. I'm gonna see if she gets out.
I didn't do anything. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you?
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You've been resisting this whole time.
I didn't. You were just telling me to get out of my
Watch your eyes,
car.
'cause this is open.
Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Yeah, he was giving you a lawful order to get out of the vehicle, correct?
I want the fifth. And you're violating my ID.
No, I asked you for your driver's
And I gave it to her
And I-
as a
and I-
passport.
And I didn't ask you anything. I told you to get out, and you didn't.
I know, but you didn't even identify yourself. Listen, can you give him my card? And on the back, yes, it has all the information. Those codes right there are for you guys. That's what they're for.
She also said everything's going to be changing soon.
But
And
you
starting
guys
next year,
already
we
know
don't need
this.
licenses. That's
Yes,
not-
and I'm an American state national. I am not a U.S. citizen.
It's fun to see that she really believes that.
Right now, I can't trust
Do
you.
you want me to turn around and hold on to the bar?
No, I
of
don't
the
want you to
truck
do
so you
anything.
can see
I
my
want-
front?
I want you to do exactly what you're doing. Okay, I'm searching you. Make sure you don't have any weapons, any contraband that is not allowed in the jail.
I don't have
Okay.
any. You're taking me to jail?
Yes.
For what?
Obstruction, resisting.
I didn't do any of that, ma'am.
You did.
All right, what's up?
I did not resist arrest.
You did not?
No, sir, I did
So why
not.
was the window broken out?
Because he just walked up to me, didn't announce who he was, didn't tell me what was going on. He just said, "Get out of your car." And I said, "Well,
He was fully clothed. He had his badge on. He got out of a police car.
You were dealing with a police officer already, and then
he came up on the other side, and he never announced himself.
okay, he doesn't have to. You were already dealing with an officer. So
I have not
another officer
broke
was
any
there.
laws. I haven't broke any crimes.
Okay, you didn't?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, then we should just release you.
Yes, you should. I have not broke any
Okay.
laws. I haven't broke any crimes,
Here's
sir.
the facts. You thought you were going to be able to do whatever you wanted to do, and that we weren't going to yank you out of your car. Actually,
No, I didn't think that at all.
They got you out of the car pretty nice compared to maybe how I would have handled it.
Wow.
Because I probably would have put an axe pick through that thing, shoveled out the entire glass, and dragged you out that window. If you are told to exit the vehicle, you exit the vehicle.
He
It's that
was scaring
simple.
me. I didn't know who he was or what he was doing.
First of all, it got to the point you weren't listening to the initial officer. Who
I
by the
gave
way,
her my ID
who, by
like
the
she
way,
asked. She
is a
never
very
did-
nice officer.
Yes, and I
Okay.
gave it to her. She never asked for anything else. So
and then you were
listen to her
told
body
several
cam.
times to exit the vehicle. Yes or no?
But I asked, did I commit a crime? He didn't tell me what was going
no,
on.
no, stop. This is where you make the mistake.
Also, if you receive a lawful order to get out of your car, you need to get out of your car.
It's a yes or no.
I
Were
am
you
taking
ordered out of the
fifth.
vehicle?
You guys have violated my
Okay,
constitutional
then you don't
rights.
have to talk to me. You're the one who
Then
asked
I
me to
want
talk.
your superior here, please.
No, he's not coming here.
I am an American state national,
No.
and I gave her what she asked me for. She asked me for my ID. I gave it to her. She did not come back and ask for something else. She did. She came back and asked for my VIN. And I said, you know what? I am traveling as a private citizen in my private vehicle. And you guys do not have permission to be in my car.
But we are. Because you're under arrest. And we're
What?
towing.
Please tell me why I'm
You
under
know,
arrest.
the very least resisting.
I didn't
In the
resist.
state of
I
Florida.
don't have to have registration to
Yes,
tag.
you do.
I'm an American citizen. I am not a U.S.
I'm
citizen.
also an American citizen.
I
We
am
all
an
are
American
American
state
citizens.
national. I am not a U.S. citizen.
Whoever filled your head up with this stuff, I'm sorry. It's
I
not
take
real.
The fifth.
So that's
I
on
take
you.
The fifth.
Okay. And I'm not asking you any questions. So you can plead the fifth. I'm not
You
asking
guys
you
are
any
violating
questions.
all of my rights.
Okay,
Every
good.
last one of them.
All right. We are not looking for anything. We are doing a inventory because you are under arrest and the vehicle is being towed. Which part of that don't you understand?
Can you just have my daughter come up here and take the car?
Okay. No.
The car is not registered to anywhere, so it basically can't be on the road.
We will not. Oh, dear God.
You're calling your daughter and your daughter only. You're not calling anybody else. Who are you calling?
I'll call my daughter. I call Lulu. Lulu can call Pearl.
That's the last one. If there's nothing, there's nothing. Okay.
It's on there.
I know. But
Oh.
that's the last person we're calling.
Okay. Hey, listen, you're just gonna have to call Pearl. My dogs are still in my house, and I can't reach my daughter. I'm gonna try later, but call Pearl. She knows exactly what to do, and I'm in the. Call her. She just called me. Call Pearl and tell her, and tell Pearl knows exactly what to do. Tell her to come do it, and she's gonna have to try to get in touch with my daughter. My dogs are locked in my house and my daughter's not answering her phone. So I'm here with the officer right now, and she was kind enough to let me make a call. So I'm calling you to tell you to call Pearl back and tell her to do exactly what she knows what to do.
Okay. We're done.
Can
'Cause
I?
No, we're
I
done.
just can't. I
No,
didn't
we're
give her
done.
my. Just call her back and just give her
No,
my
we're
daughter's
done
phone number.
because I have a feeling it's not about your dog.
That was weird. If you like content like this, please subscribe and leave a like. Also, take a look at the playlist. We have a lot of content here.